back to our channel. Ayan. Sulaiman! Sulaiman, come! Preparing their girgian.
Play-Doh.
Yeah, there is Play-Doh. There is more sweet. Yeah, you can put it here. What is this, Sulaiman? Sulaiman, what is this? What is this?
Stick. Good.
Stitch? Okay. So what's inside? Can you show me what's inside and you can show us? Can show them? Wow.
Look, wait.
Assorted.
Look, first thing I'm gonna.
Sulaiman, come! There is jelly ace over there and gummies. Some sticky sour. And the peanuts. Play-Doh. Some candies. Wow. So sweet.
I'm put jelly
Yeah.
and this lollipop and the peanuts.
But this is the finished product. Te? This is the finished product.
Peanut.
Finished product.
And then I'm gonna put Play-Doh. Look.
No, not Play-Doh.
And then I'm gonna put Play-Doh and then these fruits.
Wow.
I'm gonna
So
put
cute. The box is cute. Look at this one.
Look at this.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.